Welcome to On Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here benzene is given and succinic anhydride is given. Anhydride from succinic acid. You are using the catalyst aluminum chloride. You have to find the final product. The answer is like Friedel Crafts acylation. First step is formation of acyl cation. Since you have anhydride, you are using aluminum chloride. First step is activation of carbonyl. It gains the positive charge electron deficient aluminum chloride. So cation formation at the carbon and anion as the carboxylate. So the cation attacks the ring, you have side chain formation. While the cation attacks, you are losing the aromaticity. So the aromatization happened by hydrogen elimination. Hydrogen elimination creates the benzene ring. Hydrogen addition creates the carboxylic acid. So the final product is alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. Here second ring formation is the common sulfide, but it won't form because COO minus is the nucleophile, not the electrophile. It will not attack electron rich benzene ring because of repulsion. Here the concept you have to learn here is anhydrates also behave like acyl cation in presence of aluminum chloride. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.